Hey, what's going on? Antonio X Carter here. I got the baby on my side. I'm about to create this video for you guys so that you can see an update on my traffic, my solo ads affiliate marketing business, road to 5K for you guys so that you can see everything that it takes to just get a simple 5K per month. Just simply using solo ads and affiliate marketing in your email list. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey guys, what's going on? Like I said earlier in the beginning, I have my 3-month daughter right now in my arms. So I got to record this video like this. It's been very different ever since I have been introduced into fatherhood. But I want to give you guys an update as far as my traffic. And I think today's number 3 or 4. Got to double check. I think it's day number 4. But I just wanted to show you my results so far. Today I got 24 clicks, 5 actions, which is conversions, and I'm going to walk you guys through a couple of things here just to show you my numbers. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. So all of these, right, these just finished. I got over 200 clicks and 58 opt-ins at 28%. Now, the problem with this is a lot of gurus will teach you that you need to get anything between like 40 to 50% as a really good opt-in page. Being that I got 28% on this one, 23, 29, 23, I'll say an average is probably like 24 to 25%. That's at least bare minimum, right? Your bare minimum, you want to get at least 20% on your opt-in pages. Now that I know I consistently am getting 20 something percent, I'm almost knocking at the 30% on some of them. That means I need to make a change. And that's going to be a change of 2 things. Either the copy is bad or my landing page is bad. And that's what I'm going to be checking next. So if you look at my 2 landing pages, by the way, this is Clickmagick. Clickmagick allows you to track all of your stats when it comes to clicks and solo ads and just tracking everything. Whether you got links on YouTube or not, you need to know where those clicks are coming from. And I highly recommend Clickmagick. I believe it's a 14-day trial, and then you can actually get it for 27 bucks a month. If you don't like that, then you can downgrade to 17 bucks a month. I highly recommend you getting the 17 bucks or 27 bucks per month program. So I'm using ClickFunnels to build this specific landing page, and right now you see my name on this landing page and my email address. This one is the majority of my clicks. Next, I'm going to be trying this one, where I'm not asking for any names. That should give me a higher opt-in rate. That should automatically put me above 30-something%. Why am I giving you these numbers of like 30%, 40%, 50%? Why is it important? Because, ladies and gentlemen, you don't see it here. I got over 700 clicks and 180 opt-ins. Guess what? Your boy got a sale. So this works. Solo ads work. I made $11.55. Yeah, I know it's not a whole lot because I spent a good amount of money. But see, I'm testing traffic. I'm testing the individuals who have buyers on their list without having to spend as much money. And the only way you can test this is if you spend money. Or if you want to work with me one-on-one, you'll get everything I've already tested, and I can supply you the people that produce the sales with the solo ads and stuff. So, again, the links for ClickFunnels, if you want to use that for your landing page, highly recommend it. And ClickFunnels, that's below if you're interested in my one-on-one coaching where I can help you with this so that you can build up to $5,000 per month, building an internet marketing business with email. That link will be below as well. So now, what'll happen is people will opt into here, and it will go over to my thank you page. Go here, and then it's going to redirect me over to an offer. Boom. Now, I've ran this offer before, and this offer produces pretty good when it comes to results and conversions. For whatever reason, I really didn't get a lot. It could be the traffic, like I said, it could be the opt-in page, it could be the copy. Um, but I need to test those things to see what's what. Now, one of the biggest things I want to tell you was within these numbers here, I got 28%, right? My sale came from this guy, Matija. Phenomenal guy, by the way. And I got to sell at 28%. Now, imagine if I got my page up to at least 50%. I'm just saying theoretically it makes the numbers more better. That means I would have close to 100 opt-ins as opposed to 58. Why does that make a difference? Because if I got 58 and I got a sale, that means another 50, which is knocking on that 100, I probably have 2 sales. So that's why it's important to have a good landing page, a good high converting page. Now, the trick about this whole thing is that this landing page that I created, I don't know why it's converting so low, but I used to run it on another program that I had, which is a landing page builder called Profit Builder, and I mimicked it from here. This was converting between 36 to 46%. Now, I haven't ran solo ads in probably about 3 or 4 months. It's Christmas as well, so a lot of people are running ads. They're probably bombarded with stuff. We'll see. Again, testing. But I almost had this one at 50%. Same thing. I can leave the link for that below as well. You can build your own landing pages. It's very easy. So I just wanted to show you guys how simple it was. And as you see, they might be waking up. As you will see within my active campaign account, I've gotten a ton of subscriptions. Right, I'm at 2,030. That's not all from these solo ads, but you will see my trend of subscriptions as it's gone up, and that's from my solo ads. What to do next? I'm going to hit these guys up every single day with an offer and content that has value in it. And so this is going to allow me to make that money on the back end. Even though I didn't make the money on the front end, I only made 1 sale, I'm going to be making money on the back end as well. So I got offers all through this bad boy so that I can make my money back, including a coaching offer, which should bring me, $500 to $1,000 as well. Sorry guys, I had to push pause real quick because I had to put my baby girl to sleep. She was she wanted to know about internet marketing as well, and she's not ready for that. She's not old enough. Maybe when she gets of age, I'll teach her about internet marketing. But where I left off was, this is the email sequence. With Active Campaign, it's really awesome. I'm trying to scroll through here. There you go. So as I create new emails, I'm able to say, wait a day. And then after you wait a day, I could say, did the email open or not? And in my case, I have both yes, they opened it. If they open it, you open up a new email right there. You go. And if not, it's another email where I resend that previous email and I change the headline so that they can get that email and open it up again. And then if they still don't open it up, I send them another email and say, hey, last chance to open this up. It's your last chance. And then if they don't, then I just move them right on over to the rest of the email chain. And what's the reason for this? I'm trying to get the open rates as much as possible for each person. I don't want somebody just going through my whole sequence of days without opening up any of my emails, like the first initial emails where I'm offering my, free bonuses and stuff. And that way I don't have them skipping offers. So if they skip the same offer 3 times, they may not be interested in that specific offer. And if that's the case, I tag them just like I did here. If they open up the email, this email is opened 100 per day email. And a headline says, 100 per day challenge. Do I fail? And the thing about that, The thing about that is they may not be interested in one headline. You know, maybe there's a ClickBank product here talking about Facebook marketing. Well, they don't want to open that because they're not interested in that. But over here, they may be interested in being ads and doing things with paid marketing. So when I tag that email sequence, I'm able to tell what topics they're interested in. Then I'm able to separate them into another list and send them specific emails on the very same topic that they're interested in. That's pretty much the whole thing when it comes to email. This looks complicated, but it's really not that complicated. It does take a little bit of time to separate out, but this is the makings of a strong email marketing business. And the more people you get in this, the more that it's just a well-greased machine where it's just developing affiliate products and whatnot for you on a daily basis. And that's where you want to get. So that's part of this challenge. Day number 4 or something, I already got a sell. And it's a very small sale, but you know what? That's going right back into the business. I'm not spending any money on it. The whole job is to have everything pay for itself. And that's what we're going to be doing here. So if you're interested in Active Campaign, I highly recommend it. I will leave the affiliate link below. I believe you get like 7 or 14 days free trial. Test it out, see if you like it. I also use GetResponse. I don't really use Aweber too much. A couple of people use Aweber. I can leave the affiliate links for those below as well, but I use Active Campaign. I don't recommend it for beginners. I use GetResponse for beginners. After you get a little bit of practice so that you don't get banned for sending spammy emails or something weird, then you can kind of move up to Active Campaign. But that's pretty much it, guys. Warrior Plus is the product or the platform that I use to promote it. And, you know, the story is really not going to change. This is just me really giving you an update to the challenge so that you can kind of get an update so that you know that you could do this on your own as well. This is simple. It's very easy. It's just the small little details where people need help with and they kind of get stuck with. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. Drop me some comments below if there's anything that you learned, anything that you liked or disliked. Drop those in the comments below. I'm always free to answer questions. Don't forget to subscribe to that YouTube channel. I got all types of free content for you guys. Go ahead and sign up for my free courses that I've created for you as well. Tons of goodies down there in the description, man. I just can't believe I did all this. And, you know, like I said, you'll get to this point as well. But hit me up, like my stuff, and so in the next video. See you guys later.